This is Chapter 18, Section 4, Two Nations Live on the Edge. So, after the U.S. created the atomic bomb and used it on Japan, the U.S. scientists now had to decide if they would build an even bigger, stronger bomb. So, there was this debate over whether they should try to build the hydrogen bomb. And the difference between the hydrogen bomb and the atomic bomb is in a hydrogen bomb, the atoms are fused together, which makes them explode. And in an atomic bomb, an atom is split apart, which makes it explode. This was pretty debatable because the hydrogen bomb is actually 67 times stronger than the atomic bomb. And we had already seen what kind of destruction the atomic bomb can create and what it can do to a country like we saw in Japan. So many scientists argued that it would be completely immoral to create such a destructive bomb, that it's dangerous to almost set the precedent that we need bombs this destructive. But in 1949, we found out that the Soviet Union had an atomic bomb and the arms race began. So this is how it played out. In 1949, the Soviet Union tests their first atomic bomb. We see, oh great, they're catching up with us. They have the same types of bomb as us. They could use it on us. We don't really have a leg up on them. So in 1950, the U.S. begins building an atomic bomb. This was kind of the deciding factor of, okay, we're going to go ahead and build this because now we have to have the more strong, bigger bomb. In 1952, the U.S. creates the H-bomb and detonates its first hydrogen bomb. So we test our first hydrogen bomb, let the Soviet Union know what we're working with, and in 1953, the Soviet Union responds by also creating an H-bomb. So this arms race is in full force. We're kind of going off of what the other country's doing and each building up our military, our bombs. So something worth thinking about is, do you think it's morally right to create the hydrogen bomb? If you were alive during this time, knowing the destruction that the atomic bomb was capable of, and knowing that the hydrogen bomb was even more destructive, do you think that it's morally right to create the hydrogen bomb? What would you have said?